In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on your Wix website. This feature is especially useful when you want to clean up your site's navigation or temporarily exclude content without deleting it. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate to the website you wish to edit. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, don't worry. It's user-friendly, and you should find everything you need quite intuitively. Your goal here is to get to the editor, where the magic happens. The editor is where you can visually make changes to your site's layout and design. Now, once you're in the Wix website editor, you'll want to locate the Pages and Menu section. This part of the editor is where all your site's pages are listed. It's usually situated on the left-hand side of your screen within the editor. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your current web pages and sections. Think of it as your site's backbone. It's from here that you can access and modify in page. Next, you're going to choose a section you want to hide. Scroll through your list of pages and sections to find the one you wish to modify. If you're new to Wix, take a moment to familiarize yourself with how things are organized. The sections can include things like your homepage, an About Us page, or any custom sections you've created. Once you've found the desired section, you'll notice 3 little dots next to it. Clicking on these dots will open up a context menu, offering various options for customizing the section. Here's the crucial step. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Hide from Menu. Clicking this will effectively hide the section from your website's main navigation menu. This means it won't be visible to your site's visitors via the main menu, giving you a tidier, more streamlined look. It's important to note that hiding a section does not delete it. The content is still there, retained for future use or edits. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a section from your Wix site. Remember, this is reversible. If you decide later that you want the section back in your menu, you can simply go through the same steps and select Show on Menu or a similar option, depending on any updates Wix might have made to their platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to browse through the Wix help forums or check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy web designing!